In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Zoho Books in 2025. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will get you into your account quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books website. If you want faster access in the future, consider bookmarking the page. Once you're on the home page, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Zoho account. Make sure to double-check your credentials to avoid login errors. After entering your details, click Sign In. In just a few moments, you'll be redirected to your Zoho Books dashboard, your central hub for managing invoices, expenses, and financial reports. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to explore Zoho Books and manage your business finances with ease. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials on Zoho Books and other productivity tools.